Okay, this is a video instruction on how to take apart and replace the LCD screen on the Fujitsu T730. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws that needs to be unscrewed. 2 are behind the 2 stickers near the logo. 1 is behind the rubber stopper right here. You just remove that, and then the screws are right there. Next, you want to get a flat, maybe flathead screwdriver, or use your fingernails to pry off the top shell. It'll just snap off, and then it comes off just like so. Now what you want to do is go ahead and unscrew the 4 screws that's holding down the LCD right here, 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 and here. Then you want to go ahead and remove the 2 bracket screws. 2 on each side, right here, 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 and here. You're going to slowly lift up the digitizer, and then slowly lift up the LCD. You want to unplug 3 cables, the main one, the digitizer, and the digitizer. Careful with the stickers. That's the LCD. What you're going to do is put that away, get your new one ready. So, place it back in, making sure the component side is up like that. Plug in your cables. Put on your brackets. Lay it down. Screw in your 4 bracket screws. And you're going to screw in your 4 digitizer screws. Top snaps back on. Screw back on your screws, and you're all set. That's it.